If you're seeing the Facebook content not available error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get back to the page you're trying to open. This issue can happen for a lot of reasons, including a bad link, a temporary browser problem, cached data, or even a connection issue. The good news is that most of the time, it's quick to fix. And if this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Let's start with the first and most important step. Check if the page URL is correct. Sometimes the link itself is the problem, especially if it was copied incorrectly, shortened, or shared in a message that changed the address. Click or tap the link again and make sure it looks complete. If you typed the address manually, double-check every character. Even one small mistake can trigger the content not available message. Next, refresh the page or reload the browser. This sounds simple, but it often works if Facebook failed to load the page properly the first time. On a computer, click the refresh button in your browser or press the refresh shortcut. On a phone, swipe down to reload the page. If it loads after refreshing, the issue may have just been a temporary glitch. If that still doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop Facebook pages from opening correctly. In your browser settings, look for the Privacy or History section, then clear cached files and cookies. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try the Facebook link again. This step often fixes loading problems that keep showing the same error. Another thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can make Facebook pages fail to load, especially if the page is heavy or the signal drops while it is opening. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or reconnecting to your network. If you're on a computer, you can also restart your router or test another website to make sure your internet is working normally. If the page still says content not available, the post, page, or profile may have been removed, deleted, or restricted. In that case, there may not be a fix on your side, because Facebook can only show content that still exists and is accessible to your account. The person who shared it may have changed the privacy settings, or the original content may no longer be public. You can also try opening the link in a different browser or on a different device. Sometimes the problem is tied to one app or browser, and another one will load the page without any trouble. If you're using the Facebook app, try opening the link in Chrome, Safari, or another browser instead. If you're on desktop, test it on your phone as well. So to quickly recap, start by checking the URL, then refresh the page, clear your cache and cookies, and make sure your internet connection is stable. If nothing works, the content may simply no longer be available. Hopefully one of these steps fixed the issue for you. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.